Hey guys, welcome to Ultimate Store Kit. In this widget tutorial, let's explore the product category carousel widget to create attractive product categories with carousel animation. The product category carousel offers a dynamic and engaging way to display your store's product categories. With a smooth sliding effect, your customers can easily browse through a selection of categories. This product category carousel widget by StoreKit not only organizes your products, but also provides an interactive user experience. Let's see it in action now. To use the product category carousel widget, you can search and drag it from the widget menu and drop it on your landing page. The widget will show a default appearance style, and by default, it will display all categories at the same time. So, if you want to show only specific categories on the carousel, use the include field from the query section. And now, if you want to start customizing the widget, you will find preset styles under the layout section. There are 6 styles available for you to choose. Each has a different content style. Then you can also choose the maximum number of items to be displayed on the carousel sequentially. The carousel items are displayed in 3 columns, which you can also customize. The options also let you customize the item gap and item height. There are other options like the show image and show count button. Turning them off will hide these elements from the display. Now, the query section has more options. You can find an exclude filter here, which does the opposite of the include field. Whatever categories you select in the exclude field will get hidden from the carousel. Also, you will be able to change the order of the displayed item from options. The only button here hides empty categories from displaying when turned on. Because it's a carousel and comes with navigation, the Store Kit allows you to customize the navigation too. So, if you want, you can choose from 5 navigation styles. You can also change the navigation position. For arrows, you may choose from 23 unique arrowhead styles. However, you may turn off navigation for mobile devices. The option is given there. Then again, you may customize the carousel settings, like the display layout between the carousel and cover flow. The former is the most common, while the latter offers a unique presentation style. And you can enable autoplay, pause on hover, center slide, loop, etc. At the same time, you can customize the autoplay speed, animation speed, matching padding, and more. Till now, you have scratched the basic layout stuff. If you want to personalize your content, you can do that from the Style tab. The Style tab offers a good number of features that can change the carousel appearance radically. The first section is the item section, where you can change the background color of all categories at the same time. The option also lets you choose an image as a background. Then you can add a border around the items with custom border width and color. Anyway, there's a border radius option available that lets you curve the edges of the item boxes. The color options are also available for hover mode, so you can easily set up a unique combination for making interactive hover actions. For the category image though, you will find options like border, border radius, and CSS filters. The CSS filters let you change the coloring of the images however you like. The content part also comes with a dedicated section for customization, so you can add a glass morph effect here, or change the background color to something unique, and work with padding margin to set up the position. You can also enjoy color and box shadow customization for creating a hover effect. As for the carousel titles, you can change the text color, as well as customize the font style using typography. Typography is a combination of font customizations such as font family, size, weight, spacing, decoration, etc. So take your time to make the font awesome. You might as well add a hover title color for better interactivity. The counter and icon visible on the content part of the carousel are also customizable, so you can change their visibility by changing their colors. At the same time, you can move around the icon size, padding, and margin options. There's also a typography option included that works on the counter. Then again, the navigation part also comes with its own sets of style options. So you can modify the navigation color and background color for a change. In case the background sizes don't match, you can edit the padding to match it. There are also border radius, size, and spacing options. Not to mention, you can offset the navigation with specific settings here, as well as setting up unique colors for hover action. That's how you can craft a stunning product category carousel for your online store. So, what are you waiting for? Get started for some action there. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Ultimate Store Kit. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more widget tutorials. See you soon!